I was sent these teas and they're definitely unique. I've never used anything like this. So it's basically a portable pot of tea. You get these bags and they're each different types of teas. This one, tangerine peel, and then another one. So lots of options. Actually, tangerine sounds really nice. I'll try that one. And it says the first step is actually to take this cap off. So a little twist open, and then to put it back on inverted. So you just take it and then you're pushing it back down. Okay, so I guess that makes it so it doesn't leak. So there's step one. The next step is gonna be to take the top part and you just rip that off. That was easy. You can see the tea inside there. And then we're gonna add the hot water to it and try it out. All right, let's brew the tea. So I have hot water here and we're just gonna pour it in and then we'll wait and have a glass of tea. See how I made a huge mess? Don't overfill it. One from me. So don't fill it too high, leave some room in there. Okay, now we're gonna let this sit and drink some tea. We're ready to pour our tea. One thing that's neat is at the bottom you can see the color of it. So depending on how dark you like it, you can let it steep for a long time. Also great about this is you can prepare your tea at home and then take this somewhere where maybe glass or you're not gonna have access to like a teapot, but you wanna share tea with friends. It's a nice pouch. Having like a tea party in a park or something like that, this could be really fun. Okay, so now we're going to take this off. And this is your little pour spout. Okay. One thing I will say is when it's really full, it is kind of hard to pour it. At least for me it was. So be careful on that. Doesn't drip at the end, so that's nice. And then you'll put that back on. And now we taste. Really delightful. This is a great flavor. I'm really liking this one. The white tea with the tangerine peel. Absolutely lovely.